Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is again about a 5-minute easy eye look, and I have created this basic brown smoky eyes using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, which is really affordable and easily available. So it's one of the requested videos and you guys have requested me to do this for you. So here it is for you. It's a very easy and you can actually achieve this look within 5 minutes. So I hope you're gonna like this video, but before going to that, make sure you're subscribed and let's get started with the video. So for the eyes, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in number 04, which is a very pretty warm tone palette, and this only retails for rupees 199, so it's really affordable. So at first I'm taking this fluffy blending brush from ARTE in number PE22 and dip it into this light brown shade, which is more on the rusty side from the palette, and just blending this in my crease in very small circular motion. So I'm just taking my time and slowly building up the color all over my crease as a transition shade. Now taking this flat shaded brush from ARTE again, I'm gonna take this brown shade from the palette, which is more on the deeper side. I'm taking this and just spreading it all over my lid like this. You can use any basic brown shades that you have in your collection, guys. These are the basic brown shades. Now taking the fluffy blending brush again, I'm just blending out my crease again so that there is no harsh edges. Now taking this buffing brush, which is more or less like a small crease brush, I'm just taking this deep maroonish burgundy shade from the palette and just putting it right in the outer corner of my eye like this, and in circular motion I'm just blending it with the previous transition shade. Now I'm taking this COLLOSAL KAJAL from Maybelline and I'm gonna just tightline my upper and lower waterline with it. You can even use a brown KAJAL for this look as well. I'm going to smudge this kohl using this pencil brush from ARTE in number PE29, one of my favorite brushes. I'm going to just dip it into this brown shade from the palette and just smudge out the kohl which I have put on my lower waterline. Using the same kajal as well, I'm gonna create a winged eyeliner. So this trick you can use, guys. You don't have to use a separate eyeliner. You can actually use your kohl or kajal to create your liner. For the mascara, I'm using my current favorite and it's the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I'm gonna coat my upper and lower lashes with it. Going back to the palette, I'm taking this beige sort of bone shade and highlight my brow bone as well as the inner corner of my eyes with it. I've added the pair of false eyelash and this is how my overall eyes turned out. So this is a finished look, guys, and you can actually pair a bold lip as well as a nude lip with this very basic brown smoky eye look. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye.